learners, today we are going to start with chapter 8, the food we eat. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the food that we eat. As you know that our farmers grow crops for us, and what they do, they grow crops for us and we eat those crops, right? So now in this chapter, I will tell you about the different types of food grains like pulses, fruits, vegetables, spices that give flavor to our food, cooking oil with the help of what we cook our food, right? Some special dishes. So let's study one by one about all these things. As you all know, our country has a great variety of landforms and people, and the climate of also varies from region to region. The differences in the land features and climate help in the production of large variety of food crop. So, what are food grains? As you all know, the rice, wheat, pulses, and your maize, jowar. As you all know, the rice, wheat, maize, jowar, whatever we eat, they all come under food grains. And people mostly eat food that grow in this region. So, as you all know, these are the main food grains that produce in our country. What are these? Rice, wheat, maize, jowar, and bajra. Right? Different food grains are grown in different regions, and the food that the people in a region eat the most becomes their staple food. Whatever food we eat the most in the region, what way it will come? Staple food. Right? For example, people of North India, as you all know, they mostly eat wheat, while other part of India, if we talk about rice, it is most commonly eaten. So, jowar and bajra, these are eaten along with wheat in Rajasthan. In coastal areas, people eat rice and fish. Rice can be boiled, fried and made into idlis, dosa and several other dishes. It is eaten with dal, vegetable or fish. Chapatis or puris are made out of flour and are eaten with dal, curd, vegetables, curry and other accompaniments. Right? You can see here rice, wheat and your bajra. Next is pulses. What are these? These are known as dals. Right? They are eaten in all parts. Like we have arhar, which is known as pigeon pea. It's yellow in color. Moong, green gram. Urad, black gram. Masoor, lentil. Chana, gram. Kabuli chana, that is chickpeas. Rajmas, that is kidney beans, and soya bean. What are these? These all are the pulses. Next topic, that is fruits and vegetables. They are known as protective food also, because these are those food items that protect our body from disease. So you can see the large variety of fruits has been shown over here in the picture. So fruits and vegetables are eaten all over the India. They are available only in particular season. The fruits and vegetables that are available in particular season, what we call them? Seasonal fruits and vegetables. Different states in India are known for producing various types of fruits. Fruits and vegetables are transported from places where they are grown to other part of the country where these cannot be grown. Right? Where such food items or the fruits and vegetables, those are not grown in the region, they are transported from the other region. So here, different types of fruits are grown in different regions of India. Like if we talk about apple, cherries and strawberries, where do you find them? In the Jammu and Kashmir. Apple, Himachal Pradesh. Mango, UP, Maharashtra. Grapes, Maharashtra. Lychees, Uttarakhand, Bihar. Coconut, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Oranges, Maharashtra, Nagpur, which is famous for oranges. Guava, MP and UP. Bananas, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Next we have West Bengal, Assam, Goa, Kerala, and apricots, Ladakh. Right? These are the reasons where different vegetables are found. Next we have spices. If we talk about according to the food habits, people are either vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Non-vegetarian, what they eat? Egg, fish and meat. While vegetarian, they do not eat these food items. Let's study about the spices over here. We have chilies, turmeric, black pepper, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, ginger, garlic, coriander and cumin. What are these? These are the spices. What these give to us? This gives flavors to our food. It makes food colorful, tasty and easy to digest. Majority of spices are produced in Kerala and other southern states, right? So what these spices give flavor to our food. Then we have vegetable oil, which is also known as cooking oil. Right? We have different oil which is used in India for cooking, and it differs from place to place. Main cooking oil are used mustard, groundnut, soya oil, sesame oil, coconut oil, and sunflower. A milk product, ghee, is also used in almost every state of India, right? Mostly people, if we talk about, they also use ghee, what, to make their different dishes. People all over the world enjoy their food. We have different kinds of food and ways of cooking, right? Different types of food, and we cook them differently. So people like to use milk products such as curd, paneer, and buttermilk and butter. Tea and coffee are the two common drinks. All region of India enjoy special sweets over here. It is fun to taste the food from different part of India. If we talk about North India, they have begun to enjoy now idli, sambar, and dosa. And North Indian sweets are very popular in South, like we have rasgulla, sandesh. They are the famous all over the country. A very good network of rail and road transport has made the movement of food articles from one place to another, right? As you know that in South India, idli dosa is famous, and now they are found in North India also, because people, those who are living over there, they have shifted here, and what they are doing, they are giving these food items to us. Now, let's study about some special dishes over here. Like we have Rajma, Rogan Josh, Yakhni, and Gustawa from Jammu and Kashmir. Sarson da saag, makke ki roti and lassi from Punjab. Puran Poli, Madhya Pradesh. Srikhand, Amras, Belpuri and Vada Pav from Maharashtra. Pav Bhaji, Dhokla and Thepla from Gujarat. Dal Bati Churma from Rajasthan. Hyderabad Biryani from Andhra Pradesh. Idli Dosa Sambar from Tamil Nadu. Mysore Pak from Karnataka, rasgulla, cham-cham, and sandesh. These are the dishes that you find in West Bengal, right? So, in this chapter, I have told you about the different food items that we eat in our country, and how these food items are transported from one place to another, right? Now, in North India, we all are living in North India. We are also enjoying what? South Indian food. So, this was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. We will meet in the next class. Till then, enjoying learning with me. Thank you.